In economics and statistics and other business fields, we use the geometric mean in order to calculate the average of rates of return, among other things. Suppose we had three different financial instruments that we were investing in with three different rates of return. If we were to calculate the arithmetic average, we would probably end up with an inaccurate measure of the average rate of return of those three investments. Suppose we had three different investments, one that paid 5%, one that paid 21%, and one that paid 4%. If we took the arithmetic average of those three values, we'd end up with an average rate of return of 10%. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, the problem is the 21% rate of return actually skews the distribution upwards. So what we end up with is an overstatement of what our actual rate of return would be. In order to calculate the actual rate of return, we need to use the geometric mean. The geometric mean, stated generally, is calculated as the nth root of the product of n different investments. Okay, so if we have the rate of return for three investments, say 5%, 21%, and 4%, we'd simply multiply those three together and then take the third root. So here we go. We simply say 5 times 21 times 4, and we end up with a value of 420, and now we just need to take the third root. And the way you can take the third root is you raise 420 to the 1/3 power, and we end up with an average rate of return of 7.49. That's substantially less than the average rate of return that we calculated using the arithmetic mean. So as you can see, if we want to get an accurate statement of rates of return, we need to make sure that we use the proper measure of central tendency, and in this case, it's the geometric mean. Thank you.